Hazrat Uwaimirah bint Abdullah was a companion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and a strong and inspiring Muslim woman. She was known for her piety, intelligence, and dedication to the faith, and her life continues to serve as an inspiration to Muslims around the world. Uwaimirah was born into a noble family in Medina, and she was raised with a deep respect for teaching of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was known for her wisdom and knowledge of Quran and Hadith, and her example inspired many in the early Muslim community. One of Uwaimirah's most notable contribution to Muslim community was her role as a teacher and scholar. She was known for her powerful and insightful speeches, and her knowledge and guidance were sought by many. She was especially respected for her knowledge of fiqh or Islamic jurisprudence, and her expertise in this area helped to resolve many difficult issues within the Muslim community. Uwaimirah was also known for her devotion to God and her unwavering commitment to the principle of Islam. She was a model of piety and humility, and her example continues to inspire Muslims to this world. Despite her many achievements, Uwaimirah's life was not without hardships, and she faced many challenges and obstacles as a Muslim woman in a patriarchal society. However, her unwavering faith and dedication to the faith continue to serve as a source of inspiration and guidance for Muslims around the world. Uwaimirah's life is a reminder of the important contribution made by Muslim women throughout history, and her example continues to inspire Muslim women to strive for knowledge, piety, and dedication to the principle of Islam.